Okay, this is a test of limit switch 31. This is the early style Lincoln and Thunderbird switch that has 2 circuits on one end of travel and 4 circuits on the other end of travel. So what you should see is as the arm moves to the right, the 2 lights to the right should change state when it rings to the furthest end of travel. And when it moves back in the other direction and gets to the other end of the travel, the 4 lights to the left should change state. So we'll quickly verify that. Moving in one direction, so 4 lights change. So 4 lights change there. And again, successful test.